Need a voided check but dreading a trip to the bank? Good news! With the Chase mobile app you can usually get a digital version, saving you time and hassle. Let's walk through how to find it, step by step. First, open your Chase mobile app and log in. Once you're in, look for the Pay and Transfer option near the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. This takes you to the Pay and Transfer section. Now, locate the account details and tap on See All to expand. Alright, you should see a list of your accounts. Select the specific checking account you need the voided check information for. Tap on that account. On the account details page, scroll up to find voided check PDF. Tap on that. Voila! The app will generate a PDF of a voided check for that account. Now, you can download it, share it directly, or print it depending on what you need it for. Keep in mind, some accounts might not have this feature available. If you don't see the voided check PDF option, your best bet is to contact Chase customer service directly. They can help you obtain the necessary document.